Beavis, you're kind of a disappointment right now. Appointment. Yeah. Hey gangs, Jeff Stone here with MagicReview.com. I just posted a video like a month or two ago saying I'm back. I started off with a couple reviews and then all of a sudden, bam, I disappear again. Right after promising I'd give you guys some stuff, some free stuff. So, sorry, first of all, that happened. Second of all, you may notice right now you're either looking at an actual green screen, like, non-keyed out green screen where you're just seeing me and a bunch of green, or maybe you're seeing an image behind me finally again. The reason for that is because I had to move my studio. The reason I had to move my studio, we'll go with long story short, I'm getting old and I'm having a hip problem. I know that's ridiculous, but I can't go up and down my stairs anymore like I used to. I just got an injury to my hip that's making it a little bit hard to move up and down the stairs. So I had to have my boys unload everything from my downstairs office, move it upstairs. There's some pros and cons. The new upstairs office has a window, which is actually a bad thing because it allows sound and light in. So I've got a curtain covering it, and hopefully that's preventing the light from coming in. The good news is it's bigger, and so it's better designed for the green screen, hopefully. But we've been messing with the lighting, trying to make sure we get the lighting correct. And I think we've got it finally. So if we do, then you'll see a nice image behind me instead of just a green screen. If you just see the green screen, we're going to have to rethink how this goes. And I may just have to give up again on the green screen. Anyway, so I've got my offices in boxes. It's just everywhere. Our boxes everywhere. And I'm going to show you a clip right in just 2 seconds here of me walking you through my new office here, and it's a mess. You'll see in the clip that I found a box that I thought had the prizes in it for those two people who won the prize, but it's not in there, so I still have to keep looking for it. So you might get your hopes up when you see that, but don't, because they're not in there. Anyway, so take a look at that clip real quick, and then we'll come back. All right, folks, so here it is, the new studio / office. I'll step at the door, see if I can give you kind of a broad picture of it. This thing right here is my bulletin board full of all the stuff that my kids have given me over the years. I have that hanging on my office wall normally, and behind it is my whiteboard that I haven't finished or haven't hung up yet. My little drawers full of crazy stuff, whatever, dice and a bunch of junk. My magic junk drawers. Really cool Rubik's Cube game. Anyway, and then this office has a window, which is actually kind of a bummer. Kind of a nice view of a tree out there, but it messes with the lighting. And speaking of lighting, you can see that that's all I've got right there is this ceiling fan. This is my son's bedroom, converted into my office. But you'll notice I've hung up the green screen now because this office is much bigger and I have a lot more room. But I still am having a little bit of issues with the lighting. This is one of the lights there, and of course I need to put the umbrellas on them, but I've got them set up, so all I have to do is just move them out and stick the umbrellas on. So it only takes a couple seconds to set up. But I still haven't quite got a good lighting for keying out the green screen. And here's my desk where I sit, my laptop, and then my actual other computers down there on the floor that hooks up to those monitors there. All my textbooks for school, for teaching at the college. In fact, there's my little name badge right there. Yay. Anyway, so this is, here's where the problem is. This is the closet. The doors have been removed. I've taken those off. But inside of this closet is everything that was in my office downstairs. And it's all in boxes. It's just boxes of crap. And so somewhere in there, I haven't even hung up my stuff on my wall. So a lot of this is stuff that's hanging on my wall, stuff that was in drawers that I had downstairs that I don't have up here anymore because the drawers were built into the actual walls down there. And so stuff I don't know where to put it, but somewhere lost in this mess is the prizes for the people who won the contest I did. The little wallet, the vinyl wallet, and of course the Penguin lecture somewhere in here. I don't know where. So, and actually, holy crap, this might be the box right here, dude. Oh, maybe. That might be it, because those envelopes are where I kept those envelopes next to my Penguin lecture stuff. Sorry, guys, I got you all excited. I don't know if that's it. After I turn off this video, I'll go dig in through there. But if not, there's somewhere in here, in this mess. Girl Scout cookie boxes. Anyway, sorry about all this, guys. I got boxes of stuff I haven't even opened up over there from Murphy's. It's just a disaster, man. It's just been such a nightmare to move. All because of my stupid genetic inheritance of my broken hip. Yes, the broken hip, or the arthritic old man hip. Anyway, you'll hear more about that, obviously, in the main video that I'll be putting this to. Hopefully that answers some questions, and thanks for being so patient with me, guys. I really appreciate it. And maybe since I've been staring at the green screen here for a minute, I'll try to key it out, even though I don't have the proper lighting. See if I can put a cool image right there. Otherwise, there just won't be anything there, just a green screen. All right, folks. Thanks for hanging in there and being patient with me. So as you can see, I got a lot of boxes and crap I need to go through, and I still haven't hung up stuff on my walls, and I still have some shelves downstairs. It's kind of a mess. So this video is me letting you know, sorry for being gone for a couple months already, right when I said I was going to get back into the swing of things, number one. And number two, particularly sorry to the two winners of the contest that I haven't shipped your thing out yet, because your prize out, that happened, the winning of the contest happened the same week that I had to move my office. And there was a period of time where I just, for about 2 weeks, I didn't go downstairs at all. In fact, I sent out a video. You might remember it's me sitting in my kitchen with terrible lighting, announcing who the winners were. The reason I said in the video that my studio was unavailable. The real reason was because I couldn't walk down there to it, unfortunately. Anyway, it's not a medical report. So sorry, I'll shut up about that. But at that point, I had not been down in my office for a while. The last time I was down there was the video where the last review I filmed. And then it was about maybe 3 weeks, maybe even 4, that I just didn't go downstairs. And during that, after about 4 weeks, realizing that my hip was not getting better, I had the boys make the move, and we swapped basically one of my sons gave me his bedroom, and he took over my office, even without the window, but he loves it down there. So anyway, that's what's going on there. Actually, I think he's moving into my daughter's room now, because she moved out and got married during this whole period, the last couple months. She got married a couple weeks ago. So it's just been a disaster around here, like crazy chaos. Anyway, I'll shut up now. Sorry about the mix-up. I will be going through those boxes this week. This also happens to be finals week at the college, and so I was writing finals, still grading final assignments and final projects, but I have this upcoming week off, and so should be able to get my office finally finished, put back together. I'll get those winning prizes sent out, and I'll get back in the business of doing reviews, and hopefully we'll have some good green screen going. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for your patience. It's time to like, subscribe, ring the bell, share it out to everybody, and listen to the random iTunes song of the moment, which is, I don't know, it didn't play. There we go. Heart Attack, Demi Lovato. Nothing wrong with a little Demi Lovato to kick things off. All right, folks. Thanks again. Next time I see you, it'll hopefully be on a review of an actual product. Until then, thanks for watching. Peace out.